Hey guys, so we're out here in the garage, squeezed in here tonight, trying to get the Luv ready for zip tie drags. Now you've seen me do all types of wiring and use different looms and things like that. Now I haven't really talked about it that much. What I use to loom my wires is this stuff. It's the Easy Loom from DEI. They're cool enough to send me out a kit whenever I need it, and we're going to be dressing out all the wires in the Luv. Now it's not just there to make it look pretty, which it does, but it's actually got a melting temperature of 500 degrees, so it's protecting it too. Now what we did before, if you remember last year, is I wired everything up and we just zip tied it in place. Now we've driven around town, we put a few passes on the truck, the wiring's solid. So now is the time to go ahead and wrap it, put it away, nice loom, nice and clean, so it's done. Okay, so let's open up the box, see what this comes with now. So inside we've got 1 inch, 3/4, 3/16, a lot of 5/16, and a lot of 1/2 inch. It also comes with electrical tape, heat shrink tape, zip ties, heat shrink, and the coolest thing is this guy right here. This is the actual tool to help you do it faster. So we're going to try that tool out when we're doing this. Alright, well that's it. Let's get to it. Alright, the way I like to use the loom is actually start from the end point and work back towards like the fuse block. So we'll start with like the headlights and then we'll work back. Because then you're always using a smaller loom to a bigger loom, so that way you can just tuck it inside, goes way cleaner. Now sitting there looking, there's a lot of zip ties in here, so we're gonna sit here and start cutting zip ties and putting loom on. When you're able to actually undo one end of the wire, like this ground here, you can use heat shrink on each end with the loom and it'll actually hold it in place and it looks great. There you go, nice and clean. Alright, well the truck's been loomed from front bumper to rear bumper. Everything's covered, protected, ready to go. Now this time went even faster than the last car did because their new kit comes with these tools. And they're pretty cool. I mean, they really save time. You can put it on the line and then it just helps you feed the sleeve right over it quick and easy. So I'll show you guys how it works. So you simply take the tool, spin the orange piece until the channel matches up. You slip it on the line over your wires, then you can turn it to lock it on. So it's there. Now I figured out there's 2 ways to do this. You can take your loom, just make sure you find the opening and literally just push it on. Like so. Just like that. Now the other way I found to do it is you put it on, start the loom, then pinch the loom. So you're only holding the split loom. Grab the tool and pull. Just like that, it's on there. So 2 different ways to use the tool. Now like I said before, they didn't offer these tools in the previous master kits, but now they do. So you get 2 different sizes, so depending on how many wires you got. Both of them work the exact same way. You can spin them. Now there were spots in there where I couldn't get it all the way on, and I was able just to put the start of it on and still be able to push the loom on. So lots of ways to use it, but this saves you more time. Alright guys, that's the DEI Easy Loom Master Kit. Okay, I have so much loom left over. They are not stingy with this stuff, that's for sure. Goes in nice and easy. I'll definitely just keep using this in all my projects. Alright guys, have a good one.